CCL Design is a global partner for the world's leading brands, from design to manufacture. We deploy world-class technology and a global infrastructure to design and build product assemblies for consumer electronic and automotive applications. Our core manufacturing competencies include printing, coating, laminating, 3D forming, injection molding, automation and assembly, many of which are in cleanroom manufacturing environments. In the consumer electronics market, CCL Design is at the forefront of innovation. From mobile devices to home appliances, we help make leading brand products more functional, durable, and decorative. The automotive industry is changing with electrification, driving significant change in product design and materials. From interior decoration to product safety, we are working with automotive brands to meet the challenges of this new era. At the heart of our business is a deep expertise in chemistry and the materials science needed to solve design challenges. Driven by the need for rapid product launches, we develop and manufacture customized coated materials, ensuring timely delivery of unique components and assemblies. We are committed to helping our customers to succeed in today's rapidly changing marketplace. We design every day. We are CCL Design.